is no more important change than the one that AI and Copilot represents to organizations in 2024. So come and join me at the Microsoft 365 Community Conference as we talk about this very important subject, and we break down everything from preparing to piloting to extending that pilot into a rolling in a successful long-term solution and supported pathway for success, as well as the importance of plugins and how to calibrate and tune the Copilot experience. We'll talk about all of this and more in the session, and I want to call out that there will be samples and experiences where we'll talk about checklists, resources that you can use to help you prepare both technically and from a business perspective. We'll talk about how do we make that hard decision of who should be involved in the pilot and how do we roll that out. Spoiler alert, the trick is to involve teams of users that are self-nominated, but we'll talk more about that. And of course, we will also talk about the importance of using plugins and other techniques to improve the experience around particular use cases and workloads right from the beginning of your pilot and POC work. In addition to all of that, there'll be a lot of other learning as we talk about the very real challenges around verification, around hallucinations, and around when to use Copilot and when not to, and how to effectively come up with the right policy and approach. There is so much to talk about, and I can't wait to share a very full session with you at the Microsoft Community Conference in Orlando later this year. See you soon.